Today I'm going to show you guys that you can actually put the Genius Charting tab directly into your session folder. It's just a little trick for gaining a little bit more time while charting. So you just go up here into Essential Material. This is the Genius Charting tab. You click on the three dots and copy it to My Library. Now it's going to be in your library down here. Now when you go to set up your session folder for the day, you can drag it in along with all your other material. So today's the 14th, and I'm dragging over my other templates, participation, my class content, my homework, and also my Genius Charting. And so now after your class, after you've taken care of everything else in your session folder, you can quickly just go into this Genius Charting, hit preview, and there you are in your charting. So it doesn't save a big chunk of time, but you'd be surprised how much it helps your daily rhythms if you can get to it real quick after taking care of the rest of the stuff in your folder.